Northwest keeps it simple. On its own, their registered agent service costs $125 a year. But here's the part that makes them a great deal. If you're forming your LLC and you use Northwest to do that, there's just one simple plan. It's $39 plus your state's filing fee, and that includes your first full year of registered agent service. Like I mentioned, this won't be a step-by-step tutorial for the business formation process, but I want to give you a quick glimpse of what that setup process looks like and show you where using Northwest really comes in handy. Northwest occasionally updates this process to make it more streamlined, so it might be slightly different by the time you're watching. But overall, the flow stays about the same, and they guide you through the whole business formation, step by step. The entire process is laid out across simple tabs, so you always know where you are and what's coming next. Each option has an explanation in plain English right next to it, so you're never guessing what something means as you go through the process. And as you go through, you'll see the spots where choosing Northwest's address instead of your own keeps your personal information private. There are also no pushy pop-ups prompting you to upgrade, just labeled options with clear costs, so you know which ones might apply to you and how much they are to add. For most people, the whole thing only takes about 10 minutes. If that sounds worth it, and you've already decided that Northwest is for you, make sure to use the special link on screen or the first link in the description down below. That link gets you the best deal on Northwest, and it takes you straight to this page where you can start your business formation.